What is going on, guys? JoyTutus has sent us another set of floor mats, this time for a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150. Now, this F-150 we're installing these on is a 2016. So, just a couple things about these floor mats. A lot of aftermarket rubber floor mats has like a weird odor to them. These are odorless, and these are very easy to clean and install. So we're going to show you how easy these are to clean real quick. We're going to spill something on them, show you that you just shake it off and wipe it off. We spill water on it. Dang. So these kind of repel as well. So you can take these out of your truck, you can shake it off, and then these wipe off pretty easy. And if you need to take these out to clean them, to pressure wash them, anything like that, you can. And these are also good for when it's raining outside. You don't want to get your carpet wet, when it snows, mud, or sand if you go to the beach. So these are ready to take on any type of weather or adventure you're going on. All right, we're gonna get on with this installation. I didn't say this earlier, but make sure you choose the right floor mats for your truck. These floor mats will be linked in the description box below. But the reason this back mat is so big is because this is a Super Crew Cab. If you don't have a Super Crew Cab, obviously don't select Super Crew Cab. But anyways, I'll show you the area this whole mat covers. We're going to install this right now. So step number one, you will raise these seats up, both of them. They both just raised up, just like this. Now you do take your old floor mats out first. I cannot stress this enough. Do not put these over your factory mats. So with that being said, you can kind of fold this up a little bit. Just like so. Have to wrestle them around a little bit. All right, we did get this in. I had to have Steven help me align it over there. This is really big, so you might need two people to put this in, but still easy to install. The main thing is just getting it lined up with everything. So the seat's lowered down. Looks like that. All right, guys, now we're going to install the front floor mats. All right, now we're going to install the driver's side floor mat. So these little holes right here align with these. Make sure you get these to go in and click. So you go in here, make sure you go under the pedal. Again, these are laser cut and a pretty tight fit, so they're going to mold just perfect to these. So these just snap right in, just like that. And there you go. That's in. Looks really good too. You can tell they're laser cut, perfect fit. And last but not least, the passenger front. Now, there are these holes here, but there are no tabs over here that these have to clip into. So this one just slides right in. So we will go up like that. Make sure it's lined up everywhere, and you can tell where it goes. This protects the kick panel and everything. So these are super nice, guys. All right, thanks again to JoyTutus for sending us these floor mats for this F-150. If y'all are interested in these, they will be linked in the description box below, along with my discount code. Thank you so much for watching.